Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and management service provided by Amazon Web Services, or AWS. It is designed to help system operators, top CloudWatch developers, IT managers, and site reliability engineers maintain the services and resources they use. CloudWatch provides stats, metrics, and insights about specific AWS services and applications. CloudWatch assists in AWS monitoring by collecting data in logs, metrics, and events for each AWS resource and service. It allows users to automate actions, make troubleshooting more accessible, and optimize applications by eliminating factors that increase application latencies. CloudWatch offers 10 custom metrics and 10 alarms for free. Amazon CloudWatch features 2 significant services: metrics and logging. The logging service includes storing, monitoring, and viewing service and application logs. The metrics service captures and manages resource and operational metrics. CloudWatch logs. Insights is an interactive log query tool that helps visualize and analyze log data. CloudWatch typically performs 4 actions: collecting log data and metrics, monitoring applications, acting according to instructions, and analyzing the collected data. When a service is mentioned, CloudWatch starts collecting raw logs and metrics, continues to monitor and update the data, and resolves any problems discovered during monitoring. CloudWatch alarms monitor metrics and can be set to trigger actions based on metric data. For example, if the CPU utilization of an EC2 instance reaches 75%, an alarm will be triggered. There are 3 alarm states: OK, alarm, and insufficient_data. Users can see the history of alarm status changes for up to 30 days. CloudWatch dashboards provide a centralized view of all data collected by web applications. It allows users to visualize the entire infrastructure, compare data from different services, and reduce the total cost of ownership by setting high-resolution alarms. CloudWatch also provides detailed insights into AWS services and applications. AWS CloudWatch offers 2 pricing tiers, free and paid. The free tier includes monitoring metrics, dashboards, and alarms without any commitment or upfront fees. The paid tier is billed monthly based on the number of metrics, APIs, and metric streams used. The billing date is always the last day of the month. CloudTrail tracks activity within the